Hi students, today I am going to discuss about vector addition. Okay, so let's see what is vector addition. Okay students, so here let taking the vector A and B. Okay students, so here taking this is vector A, this is vector A, and this is vector B. Okay, now taking a point, now taking a point O, now taking a point O such that vector OA equal to vector A and vector AB equal to vector B. Okay students, so now let's draw a figure here students. This is a vector, this is vector A, named as vector OA. Okay, and this is vector AB, this is vector AB, so AB is equal to vector B. Now join the point O and B here. Okay, this is vector OB is equal to vector A plus vector B. Okay, so here the vector OA is equal to A, vector A, and vector AB is equal to vector B. Now joining the point O and B, we get the vector OB is equal to A plus vector B. Okay students, so here this OB, vector OB, this vector OB equal to vector A plus vector B is called sum or resultant of vector A and vector B. Okay students, and here therefore here students vector A plus vector B equal to vector OA plus vector AB is equal to vector OB. Okay students, so here this is known as, so here this vector addition is known as, triangle law of addition of vector. Triangle law of addition of vector. Addition of vectors. Okay, now let's see some laws of addition of vector. Okay, some laws of addition of vectors. Okay, so here first is commutative, first is commutative. Okay students, so here let vector A and vector B be any two vectors, then any two vectors, that is for commutative it will be vector A plus vector B equal to vector B plus vector A. Okay students, this condition is known as commutative. Okay, now second is associative. Second is associative. Okay, so here for any vector, for any vectors A, vectors B and C, here will be vector A plus vector B within bracket vector A plus vector B plus vector C equal to vector A plus bracket within bracket vector B plus vector C. Okay, this condition is known as associative law of addition of vectors. Okay, now third is existence of additive identity. Existence of additive identity. Okay, existence of additive identity for any vector A, for any vector A, so for any vector A, here will be vector A plus 0 vector equal to 0 vector plus A vector equal to vector A. Okay, this here this 0 is called additive identity for vectors. This 0 is called additive identity for vectors. Okay students, and last is existence of additive inverse. Additive inverse. Okay students, for any vector A, for any vectors A, here will be vector A plus minus vector A equal to minus vector A plus vector A equal to vector 0 vector. Okay, so here this minus vector A is called additive inverse. Is called additive inverse of vector A. Is called additive inverse of vector A. Okay, students. So here we have discussed about vector addition and a triangle law of addition of vectors. Okay, and some laws of addition of vectors. Okay, thank you so much.